If peacocks are impressive, wait until you see this. Meet the golden pheasant, one of the most colorful birds on Earth. Males are covered in brilliant gold, red, orange, yellow, blue, and green feathers that look almost unreal. Their signature golden crest and bright red body make them look like royalty. During mating season, males perform an elaborate courtship dance, fanning their golden neck feathers into a cape while circling females. Despite their flashy colors, they're surprisingly shy and hide in dense forest undergrowth. Native to China, they spend most of their time on the ground foraging for seeds and insects. Females are plain brown for camouflage while nesting.